Welcome to our channel How to Guide, where we post guide videos. Today I'll teach you guys how you guys can add beat on Capcut. It's pretty simple, so follow the step. And before I show you the steps, if you guys are new to our channel How to Guide, hit the subscribe to our channel. Now in order to add beats on Capcut, first you need to open up a project. Now you can go into your old project, but I will create a new one. So I will click on new project and then choose videos for editing. So I will choose these videos which I already have on my phone. So I will click on add at the bottom. Now once you open up a project like this, what you want to do is click on audio at the bottom. Once you do this, click on sounds. Now you can also add your own music, or you can choose a music from TikTok. So I will go on beats and I will choose a random beat. I will choose the first one. So in order to add the beat, you need to click on this little download icon right beside the music. So I will choose this and I will click on this little download button and I will click on plus. Now this music has been added over here, as you guys can see. Now once you add music on your video, what you want to do is click on the edit button at the bottom left. Once you're in edit, scroll to the left until you see this option called beats. Once you see beats, click on it. Now once you're inside beat, you can click on auto generate. And what it's going to do is it's going to find the beat on the music and align the video according to the beat on that music automatically. Now once you add beats, it's going to show up like this. As you guys can see at the bottom, the yellow dot, those are beats. Now if you don't want to auto add the beats, you can just scroll and click on add beat and a beat will be added just like this, as you guys can see. And if you want to delete a beat, just scroll to the beat you want to delete. Once it says, delete beat, click on it and the beat will be deleted. So that's how we guys can delete and apply beat. Now click on the tick mark at the bottom right and your beat will be added. That's how we guys can add beat on CapCut. So if you guys found our video helpful, hit the subscribe to our channel How to Guide. I'll see you guys next time.